Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps closing on the application of Duolingo. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default app settings. Then we search about Duolingo app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that you will click on turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.